What's up, guys? It's the Eagle back here with another episode of Not Eagle Eats. Eagle Eats, we try to highlight and promote local businesses. Today we're doing something a little different than normal. Today we are here at Chipotle. Don't eat out too much, but I want to try something new whenever places have a new item on the menu. Chipotle has a new queso that I want to try. Now, as far as this type of Mexican casual restaurant, most, in my opinion, has the best queso. The first attempt they had wasn't that great. Let's go inside. Let's check out attempt number 2 at queso from Chipotle.
Alright guys, so we went with the burrito bowl. Of course you have to get the guacamole and the yingling. And I got the queso on the side just in case, because remember, like I said, the first time they did queso it wasn't that good. So let's go ahead, let's try this out. Just a little. Alright, let's go ahead and dive right in and see how good this queso is. Or bad.
Alright guys, well that was the Chipotle new 2020 version of their queso. And let me say guys, it was alright, definitely improvement over the first one, but at this time I don't think I could recommend it to people. I mean, to each his own, try it, let me know if you like it. But I would say that it shouldn't be that hard to make a really good queso. My brother, he's a queso connoisseur, and he actually enjoys the Tostitos queso blanco that you get in the grocery store that comes in the glass jar. Which, that tells you something. If you'd rather have queso from a jar, who knows where this queso comes from. So, if you guys like this new series where I do new fast food items, you know, let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, share the video with others. I'm going to probably do more of these. Now, I don't know, we're thinking of a name maybe for this series, maybe Eagle Bites. You know, keep it separate from our Eagle Eats series. Well, let me know what you guys think. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.